Hi besties, in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you easiest ways to make money online for beginners this year. Yes, so the first one on my list is for you to become a freelance writer. Yes, have you heard of freelance writers then? Guys, it's a great resource for freelancers. It's a membership site, and it's much more than a job board. Have you also heard about flex jobs? Yes, guys, flexjobs.com is a website where you can get a job, a gig as a freelance writer. The third website on my list here is Solid Gigs. Solidgigs.com. Yes, solidgigs.com is a website where you can also apply to work as a freelance writer. And guys, they share a lot of opportunities of the week and you don't want to miss it for anything. Now, have you heard of ProBlogger job board? Guys, it's also a website where you can also get a gig as a freelancer. Now guys, have you heard of Behance Creative Jobs? Head over to this website as well. Guess what? You can get a job, you get a gig as a freelancer. And just so you know, most of the successful people that I've met are not that smart. The only difference between them and unsuccessful people is that they move fast, they take risks, and they work a lot. And I've noticed that a lot of people, especially the Gen Z, I'm sorry, but this is my own personal observation, a lot of Gen Z is actually lazy. A lot of them are laid back, a lot of them don't want to put in the work. They want to enjoy now. Do not forget that billionaires that you know today, they've been on the grind for 30, 40, 50, 60 years. But a lot of young people today, especially this Gen Z, they're not willing to put in the work. And this is not to throw shades at anyone, but please, you have to learn to trust the process and appreciate your little beginnings, your days of little beginnings. That big money you're looking at is coming real soon. So guys, you have always been eyeing becoming a freelance writer. These are the things that you need to know. You need to be a good writer, you need to be a strong researcher, and you must have good organization and time management skills. You don't need to have a degree in journalism or even English literature or even English itself, even though it doesn't hurt to have. And for you to start making money, you should have a portfolio with a few writing samples to share with your potential clients. And you can also create a free writing portfolio on websites like Contently and Mockrack. Yes. And to find clients, you can also use online job boards, and there are three options. You can use Upwork.com, Fiverr.com, and ProBlogger.com. There's a lot of competition on these websites, and yes, once you have some experience, you can start to pitch clients on your own and increase your rates accordingly. The next thing you can do to make money this year is drop shipping. Guys, drop shipping allows you to sell a product online without having to keep stock, and you can use the drop shipping app. Yes, your customers can buy products from your online store and then ship directly from your supplier to the customer without having to hold products, inventory or stock. And for you to make money as a dropshipper, you charge a slightly higher fee than your supplier and you keep the profit. So I'll give you an example. Let's assume that you want to sell earphones or earpiece. You can purchase it for $14 from the supplier and sell it for $20. You're not keeping inventory. Once you get a client, you just send them straight to the supplier, they fulfill the order, and you take the $6 difference. Yes, that's how you make money as a dropshipper. Yes. And if you sell 1,000 pieces of that item in a week, that's $6,000 for you right there. That's how drop shipping works. And guys, before you dive into the world of drop shipping, please make sure that you carefully research the products that you want to sell and the wholesaler, yes, from which you intend to buy. And to stay competitive, go ahead and compare prices set by other buyers to determine what you should charge. And there are a number of fraud issues around dropshipping, so please proceed with caution. I'm telling you now. Now, another business that you can do to make money this year is print on demand. In case you're wondering what's print on demand, print on demand lets you add your own designs to white label products that is supplied by a third party on a per order basis. Popular print on demand items include, t-shirts, mugs, bags, socks, and one benefit of print on demand is that it eliminates the need to stock inventory because everything is handled by the printing company. And many print on demand websites make it easy to set up your store and select products that you want to add your designs to. Now, these companies will also print your designs and ship the products. For you to create your designs, you can use websites like Canva. You can hire someone else to create your designs. Using websites like Fiverr.com or Upwork.com, you can hire someone to create, design something for you, graphic designer, for you. So for you to make money, money, you have to purchase your custom product for one price, let's say $10, and then sell it for a markup of $22 and keep the profits. Now you have reached the end and you have also become smarter. Yes, you are ready to make money. You're even more productive because you're not thinking about how to buy this product yourself. No, they only put your name, your label on the product, and you start to make money right from the comfort of your home. Yes. And guys, I want to fill you in on something that I found out recently that you can also do to start making money every single day. Now, head over to yelp.com if you have whether you have a product or a service, or you have a service that you want to offer, maybe as a freelancer or as a virtual assistant or whatever skill that you have. Please go on yelp.com and register. Yes, register your business. And guess what? Yelp is going to extend an offer of free ads to you for a whole month. Please take on that offer. It's the best offer that I've taken on in a very long time. Take on the offer, accept the offer. You're not paying. Don't forget, you're going to be required to put in to input your credit card information. Yes, they will not take your money. They will take your money on that day, but they will return it by the next day. Yeah, they just want to, verify the card information. So they'll return the money so that you're not getting charged at all. So let them run the ads for you for a month. I promise you, you're going to get a lot of clients, a lot of calls. Yes, you're going to get a lot of calls on Yelp. I'm telling you, you can get a huge return on your investments, as much as 10,000% depending on the kind of product or service that you offer. I provide high-end products and services, so yes, Yelp works for me. I can make as much as 10,000% returns on my investments. I ain't kidding. I'm not an affiliate of Yelp. I don't work for them. I'm just telling you based off of my own experience with Yelp. Yelp is actually a fantastic website where you can get a lot of clients for your business or for your service that you are rendering, whether you're a teacher, a sewist, a typist, a graphic designer. Go on Yelp. If you're not on Yelp yet, guys, you are missing out, and I don't want you guys to miss out. On this channel, I'm feeling you guys, I am not hoarding information. We spill the tea. We spill the tea on this channel. So make sure that you also check out my previous videos and begin to apply for all the opportunities that I've shared with you guys on my channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend about this juicy information I'm sharing with you guys. And that is it, guys. If you have any question for me, let me know in the comments. If you need to do a research tailored to your specifications, also let me know. I'll be more than happy to do all those researches for you guys. And in case you have not joined the family, I don't know for you. I don't know what you're waiting for. Go ahead and join the family. Don't you like this girl that you're seeing? Don't you like this girl that you are seeing? Go ahead and join the family. And also do well to share this video with your friends. And I hope with these few points of mine, I've been able to convince you and not confuse that you can make money from the comfort of your home. Yes, so using all these resources that I've shared with you guys in today's video. And just so you know, right now I just got another client while I'm shooting this video on Yelp. Guys, Yelp has blown my mind. Yelp is the best thing that has happened to me in recent time. Just now, I just saw a notification just now that Yelp, just sent another client to me. Guys, you are going to make money every single day, when you go on Yelp and you run that free ad with them. And I promise you, it's going to be your best investment ever so far. After you do the free trial, I'll implore that you now continue to run the ads, because advertisements is the lifeblood of every business. If you're not running ads, your business is just gonna die if you're not careful. But you need someone to keep pushing the word out. Yelp is gonna do that for you. So guys, that is it for today. I hope to see you guys in my next video. In case no one has told you today, let me be the first to tell you that you are amazing, you're sweet, you're gorgeous, and I am super duper proud of you. All right, guys, take care of yourselves and go to Express, and I will see you in my next video. Take care and bye for now. Bye, guys.